Today, we're excited to introduce the Easty TPP series powder shaking machine. This machine is widely used in DTF printing solutions and features the latest touchscreen controls for easier operation. The TPU powder is evenly distributed over the PET surface through the advanced powder dispensing system, ensuring a consistent layer. Once applied, the PET moves directly onto the conveyor belt and into the heating chamber. As we open the heating chamber, you'll notice it is equipped with a uniform infrared heating system on both the top and bottom, allowing for rapid melting on the back of the PET.